Alright, so your assignment today is on Delta Math, and basically they want you to do like a little guided thing to actually show the distance formula, but it's not too bad. You have to graph a right triangle, so essentially you either have to make this or you have to make this. And you click twice to draw a line, you click a segment to erase it. So basically what you want to do is you click here, you click down here, and it makes a line. Then you click here, and you click here, and it completes the triangle. And now that you have that visual of the triangle, now you're able to solve. So you would do, you'd count these sides and you'd have 6, count these, and you have 4, and then all you have to do is 4 squared plus 6 squared equals x squared. And you would get the square root of 52. Now, if you look at it, it says up here, it says at the top, simplest radical form for your answer. So what we have to do is, I'll take this over in red on the left here, I'll put it into simplest radical form. So remember, let's factor this thing. So we have 2 and 26 works, and then that goes to 2 and 13. We make a pair of 2's, 13 stays by itself inside the square root, 2 goes outside, and the answer that you would write for this is 2 radical 13. All right, now the other type of problem you might see is one where they just give you the points. So when you get the points, what you want to do is figure out what's the difference or what's the distance between the x coordinates, and for that it would be 8 minus 4, which is 4, of course, and what's the distance between the y coordinates, between 3 and negative 4. So 3 minus negative 4, well, that's 7 units away from each other. So what you do now is you're going to take the 4 and you're going to take the 7 and you plug it in to the Pythagorean theorem. And the distance is going to be your hypotenuse from there. And with that, after you solve, you get that x is the square root of 65. Now again, remember we need simplest radical form. So let's go over and try to simplify this thing. Radical 65, if we try to simplify that, let's see, I know 5 goes into it, it's 5 times 13. Both of those numbers are prime, which means there's no pairs, which means that this is in fact in simplest radical form already. So your answer would be radical 65.